This full 3D character started as just one image. I didn't sculpt it by hand, spend hours in Blender, or paint the textures myself. Instead, I used AI to generate the entire 3D model, apply stunning 8K textures that make every detail pop, and bring the character to life in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through my complete workflow, from a single image to a polished 3D character, and show you exactly how I did it using V2Fun AI. V2Fun AI is a platform that helps you turn a single image, text prompt, or character reference into a detailed 3D model without going through the traditional modeling process. Instead of spending hours building everything from scratch, you can generate a polished 3D asset in minutes, making it a great option for creators, designers, game developers, and anyone exploring AI-powered 3D content. One feature I was especially interested in testing is V2Fun's new 8K texture generation. While the model itself is important, texture quality is what really brings it to life. Higher resolution textures preserve finer details on the face, hair, clothing, accessories, and surface patterns, making the model look much sharper during close-ups, rotating previews, and portfolio-style renders. If you'd like to follow along, you can sign up for V2Fun using the link in my video description. Also, be sure to use my creator coupon code in the description to enjoy the campaign offer. Now, let's turn a single image into a fully animated 3D character. Now that we're inside V2Fun AI, this is the main dashboard where everything begins. I like that the interface is well organized, so you don't have to jump between different applications just to build a 3D character. From one workspace, you can generate AI images, create 3D models, enhance them with high-resolution 8K textures, rig your characters, and even animate them when you're ready. Let's begin with the workflow this video is all about, turning a single 2D image into a 3D character.
From the V2Fun dashboard, open the AI 3D Model Generation workspace. Now, upload the character image you want to convert. This could be an AI-generated image, your own digital artwork, a character concept, or even a clean reference sheet. For the best results, I recommend using an image where the entire character is clearly visible, facing mostly forward, with good lighting and minimal background distractions. Once your image is uploaded, select your preferred license type. As you can see, V2Fun provides two options here. Before moving on, enable the texture option. This is one of the features I wanted to test the most because texture quality can make a huge difference in how a model looks during close-up shots. Compared to the standard texture, the 8K version preserves much more detail across the face, hair, clothing, logos, and surface materials. If you're planning to create portfolio renders, social media showcases, AR previews, or detailed turntable videos, this is definitely worth enabling. Next, start the generation process. The AI will spend a few moments analyzing your image and reconstructing it as a three-dimensional model. When it's finished, you'll be able to rotate the character in a full 360-degree view. Don't rush to the next step just yet. Take a moment to inspect the model from every angle. Look closely at the object and make sure everything was interpreted correctly. If you notice any areas that don't look quite right, don't worry. You can regenerate the model or adjust the texture settings before continuing. It's much easier to fix small issues now than after you've already started animating the character. Now, let me recreate the same workflow with the same image, but this time, I will turn off the high-definition texture option. I want to show you something. Now here's the real test. Did you notice the difference between these two generations? They were created using the same image and the same workflow. The only difference is that one was generated with standard textures, while the other uses V2Fun's 8K texture option. This comparison really shows the impact of enabling 8K textures before generating your model. At first glance, both versions may look similar, but once you zoom in, the extra detail becomes obvious. Notice the improved sharpness in the facial features, clothing, hair, and surface textures. Which version do you think looks more polished? Once you're satisfied with the model, click the download button to download it in different available formats if you want to use it elsewhere.
And that's how I turned a single 2D image into a fully 3D character using V2Fun AI. From generating the 3D model with 8K textures to comparing it with the traditional 3D model, the entire workflow is surprisingly simple and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my referral link in the description. Don't forget to check to use my coupon. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.